Welcome back. Today we're going to look at one of the most powerful features of our tools, the plugins. Plugins are special modules that insert into your mobile site and give you access to the special features you commonly have on a mobile device. For example, the Click-to-Call plugin inserts a simple button that will automatically bring up the user's phone. To add one, we just click on it and then move it up and down on the page. We insert the phone number, some text for the button, and choose an icon to be displayed. Then, hit Save to preview. Now that's a good start, but we can make it match the rest of the site better. Each plugin has a design section where you can change how it looks. Let's add a better background color. I like the color the menu is using, so I'll go to Design, Menu, and copy the background color from there. Then, I can return to editing the plugin by clicking on the plugin, hitting Edit Plugin, and going back to the Design section. I'll paste the background color here. Then, I'll take off the background effect, none, because the popular style these days is a flat design. I'll remove the unnecessary top and bottom spacing and turn the rounded borders off. Then finally set the font color to white, which I know is FFF, and hit Save. Much better. The Click-to-Call plugin now stands out as a real call to action. You can use this methodology for almost any plugin to dramatically improve the look. A couple of tips though. First tip, always be consistent with your colors. If you use orange for the menu, use orange for the plugins. And above all, make sure that whatever color you use, try to get those colors from the logo so that on every page your color theme is coordinated. If you just pick random colors, it's going to look bad, trust me. Always get the colors from the logo. And if you need to know what those colors are, use a color picker extension like Eyedropper from the Chrome Web Store. This simple extension can put an eyedropper in your browser so you can instantly get the color code of anything on the page. Okay, so moving on. We now might want to specify which pages this plugin is placed on. Under the Placement section, you can choose This Page Only, a range of pages that have a keyword in the URL, such as your blog pages or contact page, all subpages, which means all pages other than the home page, or all pages. There's a wide range of plugins that are all configured in a similar way. The Click-to-Email plugin allows you to add a button that will instantly email any address you choose. The Click-to-Map plugin will bring up the user's default map application, like Google Maps or Apple Maps, pointing at your address. And if you want multiple contact type buttons in a row, importantly, the best plugin for this is actually the Button Menu plugin. This plugin lets you add up to 4 buttons in a row, although 3 is really the safest you can use, and specify special links for each button. If you want an email link, you would specify mail to : then the email address. For a telephone link, specify tel : then the number. Okay, back to the plugins. The share bar puts a link to the user's social media pages, while the social bar puts a link to your social media pages. Carousel puts an image slider, which is very useful for reinserting an image slider if the slider on your desktop site doesn't convert automatically. You can rebuild it here fast. Just put the image URLs from your desktop site for whatever images are in the slider. Custom menu adds exactly that. A menu where you can specify the links and order instead of our automatic menu. It's more flexible than the automatic menu. Video inserts a video, usually YouTube or Vimeo. And very importantly, HTML snippet allows you to write any HTML or JavaScript you might want to insert manually. This is extremely useful if you have any sections that you want to rebuild, if the automatic rendering isn't that good. You can usually just copy the HTML from your desktop site, insert it here, hit save, and then edit the style. So, there's a ton more plugins to go through, and I suggest you try playing around with them. But remember, 1. Keep the design consistent so the menu and the plugins have the same colors, same background effect, and they're all rounded or not rounded. 2. Use colors from your own logo if you can. And 3. Make sure you set the placement or which pages the plugin appears on.